Hello my dear friends, welcome to our Redbugs YouTube channel. Today I am going to make a beautiful tortoise. Here it is. Let's see what we want for this. We want a CD and a small flat paper piece, and I have taken an ice bucket, some beads from Redbug products, and a glue bottle, and a scissor, and a red pen. Let's see how we can make this. First, you have to draw the head part. Then you have to cut it. You get the head like this. Then you have to draw the hands and the legs. These are the hands, these are the legs. Then you have to cut it. Here I cut the head part and the two hands and the two legs. Now we have to apply some glue on the CD behind. We have to take empty CD for this. Apply glue on four corners and paste the two legs and two hands. Then you can apply the head. Now turn to other side. Then you have to put two eyes . And paste. Take the pen and draw the mouth. Before I told, I have taken some beautiful beads from Redbug products. So then you can paste it on top. Apply some glue everywhere. And you can paste it on top. I have taken colors to paint. This is how we made the beautiful tortoise. See, this is very beautiful and you can make it alone at home. So this is the end. So you can subscribe our YouTube channel Redbug, and you can comment and you can share. Thank you.